This is a video demonstration of Mendeley application. We will firstly start by creating a new account. And for that, you'll have to type in any email that has never been used in Mendeley. Then we will type in our research topic, which is in our case is the intention to uptake COVID-19 vaccine among the general population in Saudi Arabia by using or by the application of the theory of planned behavior. After that, you'll have to type in any password of your choice and then click register. Moving on to the next step, you have to press continue to Mendeley. This screen will pop up, which has your current role, and in our case it is a student studying a bachelor degree, and then your field of study, which is in our case nursing and health professions, and then press continue to Mendeley. After that, this is the interface that you'll have. Moving on to the Mendeley desktop app, after downloading and then signing in, you'll have to create a new folder. There are various ways of creating a new folder, but we chose to click on the left side and then typing in again our research topic. Inside the folder, we want to add 15 references. There are 5 ways of adding references. We will start by explaining the first one, which is manually. Go click on File and then choose Manually. This step depends on your used reference. In our case, we chose a journal article. You can click on Type and then choose your type of reference. After that, type in the title and then the initials of the authors and then the journal's name and the year, volume, issue, and pages. We wanted to insert the URL of the page. And then insert the URL of the page. All of the previously added references will appear here. As you see, we clicked right click and then update details. This will fill in any non-filled text box. The second way of adding a reference is using the web importer. You will have to install the web importer, going up to tools and then install web importer. This will take you to a page in web, and then you have to click on get Mendeley web importer and then add it depending on your The third step of adding a reference is by adding a file. Go to add and then add files. Look up for your file, click on add, open, and it will appear. Coming back to Mendeley web importer, after opening the reference, you'll see a red icon on the right corner. Press on it and then sign in using the same data used before. After signing in, you will see a click on the reference and then click add to Mendeley. This step will take some time as it is viewing if it has a PDF and a reference. We repeated the same step by using Mendeley web importer because we want to explain a very important step. When you press add and then you switch from the web to the desktop, sometimes the reference will not appear, and for that you'll have to go up and click the sync button. This will take time and then it will process the added reference on web and place it here on the desktop app. The fourth way of adding a reference is by drag and drop. And for that, you'll have to place your references on the desktop and then drag it and simply place it in Mendeley desktop inside of your folder.
how to read article in your library. Double click on the article that you want to read. The article should be in PDF format. This is our article. From the bar we can select text or rectangle. We can add notes and highlight. We can change the color of highlight. We can zoom into and out of the PDF. We can fit the width or height, and we can full screen. To check for duplicate references in your Mendeley library, select our document in the left-hand panel. Then go to the tools. From the menu bar, select check for duplicates. A list of duplicate references will be displayed. Here is 2 documents for one topic. Choose one of them and right click. Then delete the document. Go back to all documents to ensure that the article not still existing. I will repeat the step. I will check for duplicates. No duplicate found in all documents.
How to do highlighting and editing comments. In the beginning, open a file, start reading the file and highlight the paragraph of interest. I choose the abstract and result. Right-click and edit highlight. You can change the color to any color you want. Right-click and edit another highlight in the same way. And then you can make notes on the highlight. Right-click and edit note. Write the note, beliefs, and attitude was the most factor, variation in intention. After that, edit another note in the same way. Right-click and edit note. You can change the color to any color you want. Write the note, population, intention to uptake COVID-19 vaccine once available.
الآن راح نتعلم كيف نسوي جروب. من القائمة باليسار موجود جروب create جروب. راح نسمي المجموعة بالاسم اللي حابينه. هنا كتبنا BNU Research create جروب. راح يطلع لنا خيار دعوة للأشخاص اللي نبغاهم ينضمون للجروب، لأن هذا الجروب يعتبر برايفت. والمندلي بالديسكتوب موجود هذا الخيار البرايفت فقط. في خيارات أخرى للجروب مطلوبة مننا لكن تتوفر عن طريق الويب سايت. الآن في البرايفت جروب راح نكتب الإيميل send للناس اللي نبيها تنضم. الحين راح نتعلم كيف نسوي الطريقة الثانية من الويب سايت. my group create group نسميه بعدها نختار invite only في 3 خيارات public private invite only موافق بعدها
How to turn my library with my group. Go to the group and create a new folder. Name the folder. I will name it COVID-19 vaccine. Go to all documents. Click the first file and then press and hold the Shift key. While holding Shift key, click the last file. Go to the file. From the bar, choose Export. Rename the file and save it. Then go to the folder we created in the group and click on the Add button. Choose the file we exported, then open. The library is shared. After adding all references, go to Mendeley Desktop, click on the Synchronize. All the added articles will appear in the main panel. How to tag a document. In the main panel, choose a document. In the right side, write on the tag. I will create many tags. For this article, I will use attitude. For the other article, I will write intention. For the other, I will write hesitancy. I will add same tag I used on this document. I will write intention. As you see, tags that have already been entered will pop up as suggestion. All our tag will appear on the left side. We can filter the resources by tags: intention, hesitancy, attitude, and we can also filter by authors. Here is our all authors. This is my article. I want to add it to my library, and I want to search for related article from the web importer. Click on the article and add. All related articles will appear below. You can choose any one of these and add it to your library. You can view as PDF. I will add it to my library. You can add more of this article, all related to your topic. How to insert word citation plugin. In the Word, click on the insert and then click to add in. Search for the Mendeley. Here is Mendeley site. Add it to your Word. The word plugin will appear in the references. Here is Mendeley site.
بالبداية راح نفتح صفحة مندلي، خيار View، بعدها Citation Style، وراح نختار فانكوفر. نفتح ملف وورد اللي هو فيه الريفرنس أو الجمل اللي لها ريفرنس، نضغط على نهاية الجملة راح يطلع لنا اسم الارتيكل فوق، نحط السهم نهاية الجملة ونضغط Insert Citation. بعدها Go to Mendeley، راح يحولنا إلى قائمة الارتيكلز الموجودة في مندلي. نختار نفس الارتيكل وبعدها سايت، ينكتب عندك مباشرة رقم الريفرنس بطريقة فانكوفر. ننتقل للجملة الثانية Insert Citation، Go to Mendeley، نختار أيضا الارتيكل نفسه، بعدها سايت. already تحول وصار عندنا نهاية الجملة رقم 2 اللي هي بطريقة فانكوفر. هنا أيضا نهاية الجملة طلع لنا اسم الارتيكل COVID-19 vaccine. Insert citation، Go to Mendeley، نبحث عن اسم الارتيكل، نحدده، موجود هذا هو، بعدها سايت. أيضا كانت بنهاية الجملة رقم الريفرنس. نكمل على هذا النهج طبعا لحد ما يكتمل عندنا 15 ريفرنس. بعدها ننزل بالانتر إلى ما نفتح صفحة جديدة، نضغط Insert Bibliography. هذا الخيار راح يرتب لك جميع الريفرنس بطريقة فانكوفر ستايل من رقم 1 إلى 15، اللي هي لأن 15 ريفرنس، والريفرنس كاملة بالروابط باسم الارتيكل بالنمبر بيج وإلى آخره. بعدها راح نتكلم عن كيف نحوله إلى هارفارد ستايل. هنا طبعا رفض لأن ما غيرنا من مندلي. إذا رفض راح يحولك مندلي إلى هذه الطريقة، إلى هذه النافذة، تختار هارفارد. لو ما طلعت لك من View Citation راح نختار هارفارد، Use this style، Done. تحول عندنا تلقائيا إلى طريقة هارفارد ستايل.